Welcome to Uthra Srini's kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Madgane is a traditional konkani style dessert made using Bengal gram or Chana Dal and Jaggery with the richness of coconut milk and cardamom. This dish is usually prepared during New Year. Today, I'm going to share a vegan Madgane recipe. The ingredients are Bengal gram or Chana Dal, Jaggery powder, coconut milk, coconut oil, almonds, cashew nuts, raisins, grated coconut, and cardamom powder. Set instant pot on saute mode. Dry roast Bengal gram dal until they turn slightly brown. Wash and drain dal completely. Set instant pot on saute mode. Add coconut oil. Add cashew nuts, raisins, almonds, and roast for a couple minutes until they turn golden brown. To the same pan, add grated coconut and roast for a couple minutes until they turn golden brown. Add the washed and drained dal to the instant pot. Add 3 cups of water. Cover and cook on high pressure for 8 minutes with the pressure valve on sealing position. Once the pressure releases naturally, open and mash the cooked dal. Add jaggery powder and mix well until the jaggery melts. Adjust jaggery quantity according to your taste. Add cardamom powder, fried almonds, raisins, cashew nuts, coconut and mix well. Stir in the thick coconut milk and mix well. Stay connected with me on my social media pages. Transfer hot madgane to a serving dish and garnish with more roasted coconuts and nuts according to your taste. Tasty madgane is ready for serving. Try this recipe and post your comments and feedbacks.
Yummy!
I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thanks for watching. If you liked my channel, like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon to receive our updates.